Hi, my name is Reilly Corkran. I'm a senior geography major at Georgia Southern University with a minor in geographic information systems. As a geographer, I study the Earth's surface and everything living on it, such as people, countries, cultures, and climate, and so much more. One of the ways I study the Earth's surface and geography is by using remote sensing. What is remote sensing? It is the science of gathering information about an area of land or objects from a distance without having to touch it. This is done by using special cameras that are typically attached on planes or satellites that fly over a certain area. The first aircrafts to use remote sensing cameras were pigeons and hot air balloons. They would attach a camera that would take photos as the pigeon or hot air balloon would fly in the air. Examples of remote sensing in everyday life include viewing weather patterns across the United States to see any incoming hurricanes, cloud coverage, and dust storms. It can also help park rangers at national parks map large forest fires to protect the wildlife, land, and the people in the park. We can even use remote sensing to map the ocean floor. We need remote sensing because it is a way we can study the Earth without having to physically be in the area. I had the chance to do this in my remote sensing class with Dr. Laddick when I studied Hurricane Katrina and a national preserve reservation for wildlife. I studied the trees and the shrubs in the area to see how much of the shrubs and trees were there beforehand and after. I got to see photos a week before the hurricane hit, a week after the hurricane hit, and 2 years later. Luckily, all of the wildlife is back and better than ever. These are just some ways we can use remote sensing in everyday life.